What's going on, guys? I'm Zach.
Tom, welcome to Bros React 151.
You know the deal, guys. Scout Singin in the building. It is what it is, what is it? Thank you very much, Teresa, for the donation. We really appreciate it. Hopefully you're keeping well and staying safe. And hopefully your family's good and all that. And you're saying, yeah, we know.
Yeah, whatever you
do you know what I mean, kid and lads? Wants us to react to the three Tenors. My Way, Moon River, Because, Singing in the Rain, a tribute to Hollywood. Kid, a tribute to Hollywood. What about tribute to the UK? A tribute to the Scousers. A tribute to the Birminghams. Do you know what I mean? The Birms. And the Burns. Do you know what I mean? The Mr. Burns. Small channel, home channel build. You can always hit that donation. I'll go meet to that people. All links will be down below in the description. If you want a special request, hit that donation. We'll make a priority and get it to you as soon as possible. We hope you enjoy it and we hope you do. Like you know. And by the way, do you know what? This is on what? Warner's. Do you know what I mean? Most likely it's going to get blocked.
Yeah, because Warner's
because them man's are a big deal. Do you know what I mean?
Big record label.
And we're only little fishes in the sea, just barely swimming. So, you know.
We haven't got our fins yet.
Yeah, get them warned, kid. There you go. Oh, wow. That mate. The whole world come out. I reckon we was there. Was we there?
We was there, lad.
We was there. Teresa, you was there as well.
He must have done an album or something then, didn't he?
That's probably a big long shoulder.
Can't even hear it.
It's quite cool.
Quite nice and long.
I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I believe all of this fool I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again.
I don't know, is it to me or it does sound proper low?
Yeah, it is low, but it's alright.
Powerful. Wow.
Lad, hold on.
I waited my...
Kid, they done it their way, and their way is the best way.
Yeah,
do you know
definitely.
what I mean? Because this is what you see, lad. Magic, do you know what I mean? Special moments and great moments.
Wow.
Lad, do you know what, lad? It's just...
Let us know, has anyone gone to see did every...
Three Tenors.
Yeah, and has anyone got to, had the chance to meet, what's his name? Luciano. Pravat.
Luciano Pavetti or something.
Or something.
Yes,
Excuse me
if we're getting his name wrong or mispronouncing
Because
it.
when he's on the mic, lad, it's different.
They're all, lad,
Yeah.
three of them's great.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
know
I
what I
know.
mean? Lad, the way they control their voice, do you know what I mean? The way they, do you know, like, maneuver around with their vocals and make a sound like that is perfection, lad. You
It
get
is.
me? Who's the one from our UK, lad? You still know it?
Paul Botts.
Paul Botts,
Yeah.
innit? He's
So someone go and check him out as
yeah,
well.
if you haven't. Teresa might know.
Yeah. Wow. Basically, they're singing 2 songs on this.
Yeah, so the next one's Moon River. Innit?
Yeah, that's it. I reckon it's 3 actually.
Yeah.
4. That's it. How long is that guy? Give me a finger. On the version. Amazing. Wow.
Nice one.
Skill that man.
It's mad the way people understand what
Yeah.
to do when he's moving that stick around, like.
And who should play what part? You know?
Because
Wow. His lungs are powerful, lad.
You know what?
He stands out, lad.
He makes it hit different.
He
Do you know
does.
what I mean? Like, it just looks so easy. Do you know what I mean? When he's just singing, lad, it's just like, I'm not saying in a bad way, it's like no effort.
Yeah.
You get me?
Because
Do you know what I mean? It's
effortless
just
for him.
natural. It's just like, I can sleep and do this, do you know what I mean? And make it sound so good, lad.
And he does it always.
Lad.
Wow.
Yo, these guys are next level.
You slicing them what? Wow.
Nice. Look at that
Oh,
one.
it's mad.
That's amazing. Unbelievable. Like,
Yeah.
the amount of people.
Everyone saying that. Singing in the rain now.
They'll have a fun as well. That is nice, this one.
Yeah.
What a beautiful sound, lad.
Yeah. I don't know who's this guy. It all shows him. Is he giving a tribute to him?
He must be someone big, lad.
Yeah. Not bigger than me though. I'm joking. Whoa! Yeah, bang!
Lad,
He smashed it.
that man's at next.
The hell's he? Goes.
Lad,
That was sick.
yeah, he must be someone really like, special,
Yeah, he must be.
someone really important. Like. He must be someone really important. Yeah, I mean, because they're praising him and everything.
Yeah, and he's always standing up as
Yeah,
well.
let us know who that guy is. And you know what? Towards the last one was
Wow.
amazing because you know I
And the
love the
notes.
way they got the choir involved and the choir done a great job.
Yeah, shout out to the back ones.
That touch made it so special. You get me? What a tune to keep to the end.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Singing in the rain.
This was great. We hope you enjoyed it. We thank you for watching. Until next time.